Hi everyone, I'm Nidhi Panwar, faculty at Akash, and today we are just going to talk about matter. Matter is anything that has mass and that occupies space. You might be knowing. Now question comes that what are the characteristics of matter? The particles of matter have interparticle forces of attraction as well as they have the interparticle spaces also. We all know the three basic states of matter are solid, liquid and the gaseous state. Do all these states of matter have the same forces of attraction and interparticle spaces? My answer is no. Now let us understand these characteristics of matter with respect to the three basic states of matter. First of all, I'm just going to talk about the gaseous state of matter. Air, the mixture of gases, and yes, it is invisible also. Imagine that I have this magical box, and inside this magical box, air is there. And we are just able to identify the particles of air in it. We have the air particles, they have less forces of attraction and the large interparticle spaces here. Now I am just taking this bottle and I am just keeping it inside the box. You can clearly see how air particles provided space for this bottle. And you know, if I'm just moving this bottle inside, the particles are providing space to it. And it's quite amazing to see that interparticle spaces are large and intermolecular forces are less, so that it is getting space for it. Now once again another question comes, can we do the same thing with the liquid also? So in case of liquid, the interparticle spaces are a bit less as compared to the gaseous state, while the intermolecular forces of attraction are more. But still, if you just want to move your hand in a liquid or a diver can dive into the water, it can make space for it due to the less interparticle forces of attraction. Now let's do an activity with the liquid state of matter. Take salt and water. The particles of the salt initially visible and later as I'm stirring it, they are just getting disappear. So there are two questions. Whether this salt is not the matter, that's why it's not occupying space, or something else. So the answer is the salt get entered in the interparticle spaces of liquid. Similarly, the same thing if you just want to try with the sugar, you can do the same. The sugar particle will also get inserted in the interparticle spaces of liquid. So this was the case of liquid. Now the question comes, what about the solid state? So the particles of the solids are closely packed. They have strong forces of attraction and very less interparticle spaces. Particles are so closely packed that if I try to put some other solid in it, it is not providing space to it. And you can clearly see negligible interparticle spaces. And that is not allowing anything to get inserted in the interparticle spaces. So in this video, we came to know the differences between the three basic states of matter. I hope you like this video. For many more such videos, stay tuned with us. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.